Hello, tonight we make some dish really easy and everybody can make it, it's no time. It's like a 15-minute dish. Okay, tonight we want to make a pasta with chicken. And I got the chicken, breasted chicken, I put salt and black pepper, and we got a penne. But now, before we start, maybe somebody else is show up more on the video that everybody going to see this dish. I want to say hello everybody, and before we start, let's say salute e chin chin to everybody. Chin chin.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming.
Now, can you got more somebody else look at this video? And we got the chicken, I put salt and black pepper. I got a penne, I got to use bacon. I got a peas, I got to use a pecorino cheese. I got a flake of hot pepper. I got a tomato, and I take the skin out already. And we got a garlic and onion. Now, for start, we got to start with the pasta. It takes 12 minutes to cook. And let's do over here. And I want to put salt on water. And I put 1 and 2 teaspoons, not tablespoon, teaspoon. And this is the pasta, this is penne rigate. But you can use any kind of the pasta you want. Okay. And we give a nice turn for this.
Yeah, 12 minutes, thank you.
12 minutes.
How is doing Uncle Joe, Maria? He's all better?
Okay, now, on these parts, what I do, I put a little bit oil, not too much, only like this. I want to do the bacon. And I got the bacon lighter over here. And let's warm up the parts first.
Okay, thank goodness. He makes some meatballs. Perfect.
Ok, Uncle Joe, nice sing. Lasciatemi cantare con la chitarra in mano. Lasciatemi cantare, sono un italiano.
Uncle Joe sent us video of him singing this song.
Okay, now we want to make a nice the bacon. Okay, now this you gotta cook a little bit. And let's say salute chin chin to everybody, and thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the start. Chin chin, salute. Okay, we give a nice turn for the pasta. All right.
Salute Chin Chin, Wesley, and Bill.
Bill.
So how was your trip to Florida? Perfect?
He's in Florida.
No, he's back already.
Oh, he's back already. Oh, okay, good. Florida, it's nice warm. It's a warm place over there, warm. What? Right.
Got 10 more minutes for pasta.
Okay, the bacon is good, all right? Okay, now the bacon we take it out and I put it right over here on this dish.
Wow, 80 degrees, perfect. So how is Chicago now comparing to Florida? I'm sure it gotta be freezing.
It's a below 80. Okay, now what I gotta do, I need a little paper towel to clean it, I don't want the oil. Okay. And now we raise the flame a little bit and we put a little extra oil. All right, now it's the time of the chicken.
I know it's big difference. Wet. Well, really got a problem with the oven.
Yeah?
We had problem with the oven too, so why we did replace our stove. So make sure that they do good job. Well, it's not that old. 11 years, it's not old. I hope they will be able to fix for you. Put me the fork, no?
Huh?
Fork. I know,
Okay.
everything tastes better with bacon, obviously, yes.
Now we got some flake of the pepper. I got the garlic and the onion. And we need a little wine. Chin chin, salute everybody. Thank you so much for the start. Chin chin.
Smells really good already.
Okay, now we need a little wine. Later. Salt. Black pepper. Okay. All right.
You're welcome. Uncle Joey said thank you for singing for him.
Now, peas.
Billy said 2 more minutes.
Huh?
2 more minutes. We were looking for fresh peas, but they didn't have, so we're using frozen one. It looks so nice, all the red and green. Or sometimes you have to use it frozen if you don't have fresh one. No?
So you gotta cook them more.
Billy said 1 more minute you got left. No?
No.
I don't know why they put on a package a certain amount of time and then you have to cook longer.
Well, when it's a time, let me know.
One more.
I want to cook inside over here for a couple of minutes.
1 more minute. You said.
Yeah, okay. Chin chin, salute.
Okay, time's up, Billy said.
Okay.
Thank you, Bill.
Okay.
It looks really good.
Now we leave it cook a little bit more like this. Okay, so you need more water. That's why I don't throw away the water. You can use more water. But now I don't need no water yet.
It looks really good.
I use a pecorino cheese. Now, the bacon.
Looks really good. Thank you, Karen.
Okay, we turn the gas off.
Little more cheese. Yeah, it's really fast. Like 20 minutes, you have dinner done.
It's so good. The chicken, I taste the chicken, it's so good. Nice. Salute e cincin to everybody, and thank you so much to look this video, easy to make and fast. And thank you for your support, and thank you for the star. Chin chin. Salute, and we see you next time. Chin chin.
Thank you, everyone.